Mastering proper steering techniques is crucial for safe driving. Here are some important reasons why steering wheel techniques are vital for safe driving. Proper steering techniques allow drivers to navigate smoothly, maintain their intended course, and respond effectively to road conditions, obstacles, and other vehicles. It enables the driver to maintain control and stability, reducing the risk of accidents. Effective steering techniques help drivers achieve precise and accurate movements, allowing for smooth and controlled turns. Proper hand placement on the steering wheel, along with using appropriate hand-over-hand or hand-to-hand techniques, enhances control and minimizes the chances of oversteering or understeering. In critical situations such as sudden obstacles, lane changes, or evasive actions, quick and accurate steering responses are essential. By using techniques like the push-pull or shuffle steering method, drivers can swiftly execute emergency maneuvers, helping them avoid collisions or reduce the severity of an accident. Proper steering techniques contribute to the stability and balance of the vehicle. Maintaining a balanced steering input during turns and cornering helps distribute the weight evenly, preventing the vehicle from rolling or skidding. This is particularly important in adverse weather conditions or on slippery road surfaces. Incorrect steering techniques, such as gripping the wheel too tightly or using excessive force, can lead to muscle fatigue and discomfort over long distances. By adopting proper techniques like the 10 and 2 or 9 and 3 hand positions, drivers can reduce muscle strain, minimize fatigue, and enhance overall driving comfort. The steering wheel also serves as a means of communication between the driver and other road users. Using proper steering techniques ensures smooth and predictable movements, allowing other drivers and pedestrians to anticipate your intentions. Clear and consistent signaling through the steering wheel enhances road safety by reducing confusion and potential conflicts. Different vehicles may have varying steering mechanisms, such as power steering or manual steering. Understanding and adapting to the characteristics of the specific vehicle being driven is essential. Proper steering techniques enable drivers to adjust their inputs based on the vehicle's responsiveness, ensuring a consistent and controlled driving experience.